happened? What happened, little guy? You can't fly good. You got caught up there. Yeah. You can't fly good. Patchy, go get him. Patchy, go get him. Okay, Patchy. Go rescue him. Okay. Good boy. Oh. All right. Teach him how to fly. Oh. Oh, my poor little rescue birdie. He can't fly. But Patchy rescued him. No wonder why he's scared to come out of his cage. Somebody must have clipped his wings. Oh, how cute. Patchy's trying to teach him. Fly up here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can. Rocky, come on, you can do it, honey. You can get down. Oh, how cute. See? Patchy went to your cage. Now you can do it, Rocky.